What's up, guys? Today, I'm back on Roblox and I'm playing Would You Rather. So I'm bringing back the old videos I made. I played this a long time ago, so I'm bringing it back. So let's get into it. Alright. Okay. Watch football or watch cricket? And football. Okay. Football. I'd rather watch football, not cricket. Okay. No. I hate her hammer. At least someone won that many times. I only have one win. Okay, master every programming language or master every spoken language. I saw someone go over here, so I'm going over here. Oh. We're probably gonna lose. I'm gonna probably lose. Oh, never mind. There are more people. I'm gonna end the video at like 10 minutes. So yeah. Never get tired of the song you like. Or have your sleep be 20% more effective. Yep, this one. Cosmos again, or whatever that is. Finally. Hello. She looks like a Smurf. Her too. Reach your reach your ideal weight, or reach your ideal salary. I'm picking this one. Oh, good. I'm just gonna stay here. Watch the chaos. Bro. Bro, no. Die. Take that. That's fair. Fair. Also, I hope you're enjoying the video. I hope you're enjoying the video, and leave a like and subscribe to the video channel, and join my Discord server. So, yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, and join my Discord server. Yeah, that's it. Spend hours trying to get past a hard level, or use cheat codes to get past a hard level. I'm gonna pick this one. Is he AFK? Never mind. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't know. Nope. There's only one? No. I am this close to dying. But I'm probably at 1 HP. I don't even know what. Alright. Time. Okay. 3 wins. Alright. Wow. Hey, hold. 300 donuts in 4 hours for $500. Or drink a cup of sour milk for $50. I'm gonna get diabetes from that one. Drink a, yeah, I can do this one. We're gonna die. Bro, why are you following me? Why are you following me? Dude! Bro! So you're telling me people are gonna get diabetes? People are gonna eat 300 donuts to get $500? They're gonna get diabetes from that. Bro. Live in a zoo or live in an amusement park. If I lived in a zoo, something would eat me. Amusement park, I'd have fun in that. Wait. Did we win? Oh, we won. Oh, that's it was worth it. Be able to fly, but only 6 feet above the ground. Or be able to teleport, but only 10 feet at a time. I don't know. This one. Oh, we have a lot of. Oh, we're dead. Hey. He's dead. Did we win? Oh. Alright, we won. Oh, never mind. Have bright blue hair. Or have bright blue teeth. Yeah, this one. Hair. Did everyone pick the hair? Did everyone pick the I feel like everyone picked the hair. And I'm probably right. Be stranded alone on an island. Or be stranded with someone you hate on an island. At least I'll have company. At least I'll have company. We won? Oh, we won. Wait. Oh, I can write my own. Okay, never mind. Who's pushing me? Have a MacBook Air or have an just MacBook. I don't want to be an iPad kid. I'll never be an iPad kid. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. Yeah. We're dead. Yeah. Alright. Get 100 Robux. Bro. Okay, never mind. Always be late or always be unprepared. Always be late. It didn't say what What if I'm just... Oh. Oh, we won. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what people choose. Stop world hunger. Yeah. This one's for me. Or have $100. If people don't choose world hunger, people are the worst. These people would be the worst. Oh, good. That bad people. Karma. You didn't choose. It's only $100. It's not like $1,000. It's just $100. It's only $100. It's not like $1,000 or $2,000. This is 100. Wear jeans or wear shorts? Well, jeans. They didn't say how long I need to wear them, so a random weapons. Special. That's my special ability. Die. I want to do the special round. I want to do the special round, but a kid wrote this. So if you want to see more videos like this, leave a like and comment down below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Join the Discord. Bye.